Hi, it's Miss G. So I'm back with another episode of Algebra 1 tutorial. And we're still covering the verbs of math. So the words that I've chosen today are simplify and isolate. So isolate is under the sheet. I didn't want to distract you with additional math problems. I'll remove it in a moment. So let's get into simplify. They're telling you to make things more simple. Like if you had a basket of fruit, let's put the apples together, put the oranges in one bowl, put the bananas in another bowl. Let's simplify things. Get rid of the clutter, make it all look simple. All right, so what we're going to do to simplify, we have the variable x here and the variable x there. So these are going to combine. Then we have a number by itself and a number by itself. So we're going to combine those together. So let's get started. So this is a positive on this right side of the equal sign. So I'll bring it over here as a negative. This is a positive on the left side of the equal sign. So I'll bring it over here as a negative. All right, let's get to the math. Where's my handy calculator? All right, so the difference of $5.50 and $4.25 is $1.25. So here, the difference between $64.60 and $34.60 is $30. Can we simplify it even more? So that's pretty simplified, but we actually can go a further step, which is to isolate that variable, which I said I was going to cover over here. So that's completely simplified, but let's go ahead and isolate the variable. We're going to take it a step further. So right now they're multiplying to each other. We want to say $1.25 times what number is 30. So we undo multiplication with division. What we do on one side of the equal sign, we have to do on the other side. This is going to become 1x. So then, handy calculator, why you keep getting away from me? So then 30 divided by $1.25 is 24. So therefore x equals 24. All right, so we've simplified a problem and then we took it a step further to go ahead and isolate that x. So isolate, all isolate means is to get by itself. Well, let's go ahead and put, if you're in isolation, you're alone. You're by yourself, okay? So this 1000x and the 425x, they're the same. So we can combine them. We can simplify them. So let's go ahead and move the 425. That's going to become a 1. And so 1000 minus 425 is 575. All right, we still can do a little more isolating. I'm not sure why I put that x. That was silly. We need to isolate, which is the goal for this one. We need x to be all by itself. So we undo multiplication by dividing. So 6460 divided by 575 is 11.23. Why did I write a 5? So we can go ahead and average that. Right? So because the 2 is less than a 5, we average down. We round down. All right, that was another episode of the Verbs of Mathematics. I hope to see you back soon. Leave a comment, subscribe. See you soon. This was another episode with Miss G's Algebra 1 tutorial. Bye.